Hey guys, Paul, Spectacular Trim. I want to turn you on to a new product that's from FastCap, and it's this bracket right here. It's this little patch. It's called a TLC. It stands for different things, but basically it's for a cam lock. And what you do is it comes in two configurations. It comes either as a bench mount, which as you can see, I've put them on this tool tote, so I can walk into a job and I can just grab what I need and I can slide it in and then drop it. It's not gonna fall off. So if I'm on a ladder or a scaffold, no problem. But I also I modified it. I worked with one of our guy who invented the TLC itself. I've been testing them, and we came up with a chest mount. This isn't for available for sale, but this is something that is great if you're doing a lot of stuff like ground molding or coffered ceilings, etc., and you're constantly reaching for a gun. I don't like to have a gun on my side because it's too easy for it to fall off. So I stuck a TLC on a chest mount. Ergonomically, it's very good. Doesn't put a lot of stress on my back and so on. And I can carry a gun like this for an hour at a time, and it's not bothering me. So again, that's a bench mounted version. The bench mount version has a non-directional catch in there. So I can take a tool and put it in any direction. It's not going to catch, but you don't have the security of it coming in and doing at least a quarter turn and locking. The way that this works is you have this circular cam with one side filed off or cut off, and inside your locking clip it has a specific shape which only allows the cam to go in one direction. As soon as you begin to turn it, it catches. Okay. You can also install these, and they come in different formats. The format that's available for belt and tool belt type of use is actually with Velcro, and it has a metal supporting clip which supports the load. So if I wanted to put one of those, for instance, on my belt, I would hang it, I would put the Velcro around it, and I would drop my tool in like this, and it would drop, and it's not coming out. What comes to mind for me is people like linemen, like somebody who's working on power lines, etc. If they use hand tools, power tools, cordless tools, it would be ideal for them to secure their tools, be able to climb ladders, their tools would be able to swing around even behind their back, and they wouldn't risk losing them. Anyway, a lot more creative uses of these things coming out, but this is the core product. It's called the TLC, and they're available now from FastCap.